gonna be sort of a full quick glam sesh, like all my summer go-to makeup, and this is what I do like on a regular basis, whether it be anything, any occasion. So to start, favorite go-to foundation for the summer has been the NYX Born to Glow. I just feel like this foundation really works well in the heat, especially in Texas heat where it can be like super humid, especially in the mornings. And you know, we don't have a lot of places to go, but if you do decide to go out, this is a good one. Pop this on real quick. I love this product, like it just like melts into my skin. This foundation I believe is only like $10, and plus having this damp sponge, like it just melts it into the skin. Of course, I'm gonna go into my Studio Fix concealers. Go in with NC42 and NC50, kind of mix the two together and just go right in here. Kim Kardashian's makeup artist always says to bronze first, and then you know how much to conceal. I'm gonna turn down the ISO on the camera just a little bit, so excuse me 1 second. So next I'm gonna go in with the DIOR Forever Skin Corrector. Ooh, it's dirty. And I'm just gonna apply this right here. My eyebrow lid area. And then I go in with a more neutral concealer, which is actually the shade Neutral from the Born to Glow collection from NYX. Just because for a summer look, I really want this to be natural, glowy, and bronze, and just like a really high shine finish. So, blend this out. I'm gonna go back in with this bronzing shade of NC42 to rebronze my cheeks. Add a little bit more of a highlight just right here, because my lines are pretty bad today. Kind of just let this, fan this out a little bit, and then you can go in and set. What I like to do is like the creases here, just swipe it out. A HUDA powder. Love this product for the summer. Like my makeup does not budge at all when I use this. My Velvet Real Technique sponge and dip right in here. My cheeks first. take like this regular fluff brush, dip into the Huda powder, and sweep across my forehead. And blend this out here. Next, I'm going to take my MAC palette again, and I'm gonna dip into that tan shade with my tapered blending brush. Kind of buff it out on the back of my hand first. Apply this on my crease. Bring it all the way up to my brow bone. On the outer corner and the inner corner. Go underneath my eye as well here, like very thin. Next, I'm going to take that darker tan shade and do my outer corner. To spread this out. Bring it under there and here. Now you can apply this like technique or where I'm placing it with regular eyeshadow too. Like, don't think that you have to use, you know, cream products to achieve this look. So just with a normal concealer color and brush, I'm going to line this up in the center. Just pat this in the middle. That lighter shade on my bottom here too. Now I'm going to take a clean fluff brush, and this is the MAC 224S brush. I take my Cover Fix bronzing duo and go in with the matte shade. And I'm going to pat this on those bronzed areas first, starting with the darkest shade. So now that that is done, I'm gonna take the Mercier translucent powder, dip my eyeshadow brush in here, and go over this transition shade just to set it in. I'm going to revamp this center here. So to really give like this wet look in the center, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Atomic Blonde palette. They don't make this palette anymore. I've had it for like over a year. And if you don't have this palette, then just go in with any like champagne shimmer color. My finger. So pretty. and put this right in the middle past my crease, and kind of just like swipe in between just to blend in between those shades. I'm gonna use like any flat straight brush and go underneath here, right where I put that concealer. Next, I'm gonna take like this more pink champagne color and put it in the very center. I'm gonna take this espresso shade right here in this flat brush to spray it to turn it into a liner. And I'm just doing the outer corner. Because we want to keep this very, very summery and light. So okay, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back. We're gonna move on to actually bronzing the face, and of course I'm gonna use my Cover Fix Bronzing Duo. Mix the two, push straight in here. For blush, of course, I'm gonna go in this super light pink. Next, we're gonna apply the same champagne color on the bridge of our nose. Actually, I'm gonna use this powder brush. Just going to apply this pretty much all over the face. Go in with this Aveda lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Let's see if the Patrick Ta lip will go with this. Oh yeah. And then of course lately I've been using the Marc Jacobs High Shine Lip Gloss like crazy. So I'm gonna put the brown sugared in the middle. Next, I'm gonna put on some mascara and I will be right back with the finished look. Videos coming up. I have a haul for you guys. I have some gifted products from some companies. I'm not gonna reveal it just yet. I will post it on my stories. You guys will probably already see it already, but I'm gonna have that for next week. So I'm really excited about that. It's the first time that, you know, major companies are sending me gifted products. So stay tuned for that. I really like this look and I'm happy you guys sat all the way through this tutorial. So anyways, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Leo. I've legit tried to use my phone screen as a mirror. What is wrong with me? Oh.